this video, we're going to be looking at using Skype for Business to send presentations, to do meetings, to do whiteboarding with the students in your classroom. In order for this to work, each student and the teacher has to have the Skype for Business application loaded on the computer. We're going to assume in this video that this has already happened. So what we do is we load up our Skype for Business. I have an icon on my taskbar that I click on. Brings up this. I just tell it to sign in. If my system is already set up to log in automatically with the password, then it will do so. Now at this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to first of all create a group. So I click on Groups, and then what I'm going to do is click on here and click on Create a New Group. It will start the creation of a new group down here. I'm going to call this group my second area. One group. Okay. I then click on here and then go up into this area up here to look for students that I want to add. I'm going to add Mary Fernanda by clicking on her. Add to contacts list, second area 1. I'll do the same thing here for Jonathan Powell. Again, I'll right click, add to contact list, second area 1. And I'll add one more. And this one will be Mark Powell. Right click, add to contact list, second area 1. Now, if you look down here, what you'll see is the second area 1 contact group. You'll notice that I can expand my groups just by clicking on this arrow here, or triangle. Now, when I'm ready to send to this entire group, by the way, this group now is a permanent group in my Skype for Business that will show up each time I log in as this user. What I can do is I can right-click on the group name here and say, Start a conference call, Skype for Business. Okay? This will bring up the conversation. From here, what I can do is I can say that I want to present. I then click on either Present Desktop, Present Programs, Present PowerPoint Files, or I can go to the More area and I can choose to do a whiteboard, a poll, or Q&A. Now, let's say, for example, that I just want to share my desktop. What I would do is I'd go Present Desktop, and when I'm ready to present, I will click on Present. Okay. Click on OK. Now at this point it's saying that I'm the only one on the call, but what it's doing is it's contacting the other users to see if they're available. When they are available, what will happen is it will send them a message. And that concludes this video. The second video in this series will show what happens on the user screen when this occurs.